Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Band 10 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this smartband. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, tap on it of course. And here, first you will need to find the option called automatic. Tap on it. Disable the automatic adjust screen brightness by tapping on the switch. And once you turn off the automatic adjustment, swipe right on the screen to go back. Tap on brightness. And now we can adjust the screen brightness to our liking. And once you're done adjusting the brightness by swiping on the slider, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.